In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in Salesforce. To get started, open Salesforce and sign in using an account with administrator permissions. This is important because theme and branding settings are typically only available to admins or users with the right level of access. Once you're logged in and on the main Salesforce screen, head to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Setup. This will take you to the administrative side of Salesforce, where you can manage branding and other system settings. After setup loads, look for the Quick Find search box, usually located on the left side of the page. In that box, type Themes and Branding. As the results appear, click Themes and Branding to open the page where Salesforce stores your organization's theme settings. This is the area where you can create a new visual style for your Salesforce environment. Once you're on the Themes and Branding page, click New Theme. Salesforce will then prompt you to configure the theme details. Start by entering a theme name. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if your organization uses multiple themes for different purposes or branding updates. Next, you'll have the option to upload a company logo. This step is optional, but adding a logo can help make the interface feel more consistent with your organization's identity. You can also upload a brand image if you'd like. This is also optional, but it can further customize the look and feel of Salesforce. After that, choose your brand colors. Try to select colors that align with your organization's style so the overall experience feels polished and on brand. When everything looks the way you want, click Save. This stores the theme in Salesforce, but it won't be visible to users just yet. To make it live, return to the Themes and Branding list, locate the theme you just created, and click Activate. Once the theme is activated, users across Salesforce will begin seeing the updated branding elements. Finally, refresh Salesforce and verify the changes. Check that the logo appears correctly, confirm that the selected colors have been applied, and make sure the branding elements display the way you expected. If something looks off, you can return to the theme settings and adjust it as needed. Taking a moment to review everything helps ensure your Salesforce environment looks clean, professional, and consistent for everyone using it.